Welcome to part 10 of our How to Design and Build an Airplane series, where we're going to finish building our airplane. We're going to build the tail, do final assembly of the structure of the airplane, mount all of our components inside, coat the airplane, and do final flight assembly of the airplane. I first tried making my ribs out of foam core. It seemed like a good idea at the time due to the scale of them and the fragile nature of the balsa wood. Turns out this didn't work out very well, so I ended up doing balsa wood ribs. These pieces are meant to mount the hinges to. Here we're making the elevator and the rudder. If you remember earlier, I said that I carved out my ailerons originally. Well, I went back and rebuilt them using this method, and they turned out much better. Remember when I said the wing would be attached with rubber bands? Well, these are going to be the attachment points for the rubber bands. They're going to go over the wing and attach to each one of these dowels. Now we're starting to mount the control servos. The trick is to make sure they're well supported and protected from any impacts. When mounting my aileron servos, I mounted them to blocks of wood and then glued the blocks of wood into place. This doesn't work so great for easy removal of the servos, but I don't plan on removing them. Here I'm trying to mount all the electronic components inside the airplane. The key here is to maintain the balance at the quarter chord of the airplane. Once your airplane is assembled, pick your airplane up from the quarter chord position and it should sit level. When running the wires for my aileron servos, I found this hole punch very handy when it came to punching holes in the ribs for the wires. Now we're at the last step in the process, coating the airplane. There's several products out there and they're all pretty similar. They're all basically heat shrink that you coat your airplane with. This process is very tedious and you're going to screw it up the first couple times you do it. Take your time and go slow and make sure all the edges are stuck down before you hit it with the heat gun. It may be necessary to add a few extra pieces of balsa wood to support the edges of your monocoat. I had to do that here on the wings. And now our plane is ready to fly. That's it for part 10 of our How to Design and Build an Airplane, where we finished building the airplane. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, ideas for future airplane or non-airplane projects, please leave them in the comments below. Please follow us on Instagram @HugeBears. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.